This is day one of me trying to beat the Ender Dragon and the Wither in Minecraft with 1 minute per day. Remember to claim the OG tickets in the comments. So here does our journey begin in the ice biome. So firstly, what we gotta do is get some wood to make some stone and some wood tools. Guys, how long do you think it will take to beat the Ender Dragon? Let me know in the comments. So this was it. The 1 minute for the day. We have achieved a lot in this time. Unfortunately, we didn't get any stone tools, but see you tomorrow on day 2.